In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add lines in Canva. Start by opening your Canva design. This can be any existing project you have or a new blank design you just created. Once it opens, you should see your main design in the center, with the toolbar on the left and options along the top. Take a second to confirm you are in the editor view, not on the home page, so the left sidebar is visible. Once your design is open, click Elements on the left. You will find Elements as a button in the left sidebar, with a small Shapes icon next to it. When you click it, the panel on the left changes and shows categories like Recently Used, Lines and Shapes, Graphics, and more. This tells you are in the right place to add graphic pieces to your design. From there, go to the search box inside Elements and type the word line. As you type, Canva filters the elements and shows options related to lines. You should now see a section that usually includes simple lines, curved lines, and decorative line styles. Beginners often scroll past this section, so if you do not see it, scroll a bit down until you spot basic straight lines. Now click a line style to add it to your design. You only need a single click on the line preview, and Canva instantly drops that line onto the center of your page. You will see small handles at each end and sometimes in the middle, which means the line is selected and ready to edit. If nothing appears, check that you click directly on the line thumbnail, not on an empty area. Next, drag the ends of the line to change its length. Move your mouse to one end until you see a double arrow cursor, then click and pull outward to make the line longer, or inward to shorten it. While you drag, a faint guide may appear to help you keep it straight and aligned with other objects. Release the mouse when the line reaches the size that fits your layout. If you grab near the center by mistake, you will move the whole line instead of resizing it. With the line selected, use the toolbar to change its color. Look at the top of the screen for the color tile, usually showing the current line color. Click it and a panel opens with your document colors and a color picker. When you choose a new color, the line updates instantly on the canvas, so you can quickly test different shades that match your design. Next up, adjust the weight or thickness of the line using the same top toolbar. There is a number or word that controls thickness. Increase it to make the line bold and heavy, or decrease it for a subtle, fine line. Thicker lines work well for dividers, while thinner ones are better for underlines and small accents. After that, change the style of the line to solid, dashed, or dotted. In the toolbar, open the Line Style menu and pick the look you prefer. Your line immediately switches to that pattern, so you can see how it affects the overall feel of your design. Dotted lines often suggest separation or a path, while solid lines look more formal. Finally, customize the endpoints to use arrows, circles, and other options. In the same toolbar area, open the endpoint controls and choose a style for the start and end of the line. For example, you can place an arrow on one end and leave the other flat, or use circles on both ends for a softer look. These end caps change in real time, so you can experiment until the line communicates exactly what you need. You have now added a line in Canva and fully customized its length, color, thickness, style, and endpoints. If this helped you clean up or organize your design, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more Canva tips.